What's up, boys? Welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to install my graphics mod. This is what it looks like. It's basically a whole citizenships folder. It's replacement. So I'll be showing you how to install it. It's gonna be the second link. It's gonna be my Discord. I'll show you how to request it. You're gonna go to updates in my Discord, scroll up, and go to ticket room. This is free. Just open ticket. The reason I had to do it like this is because I want it private. So you're gonna open ticket. It's gonna look like this. I'll say hello, and then do you want the graphic mod? You said yes, sir, and I'll send you a link. That link's expired. Don't worry about any of that. But so this is where you're gonna get pulled up with after you install it and click download link. You're gonna get this. It's gonna be CivEvans Visual Pack. So what you're going to do is open your FileM directory, file location, FileM application data. It's gonna be citizenships folder. You're gonna go and make a new citizenships folder. So you're gonna be making a folder. Just call it citizen. I already have one, but you just click yes if you don't already have one. So this is what mine looks like. Now what you're gonna do is delete everything inside of here. Just delete it. Don't need it. It's gonna be empty for you, but you're gonna put all this into the citizenships folder. Might take a minute. Alright, so now you're gonna drag this citizenships folder into here. So you just move. It'll take a minute because it is a pretty big file. Replace. It's gonna take a minute. It will disappear off your desktop. Alright, it's done. So you got everything in here. Now you should be clear to open CivEvans. When you have CivEvans, it's going to let you download stuff. It's going to be checkout stuff. It's going to be looking at stuff. And this graphic mod looks pretty decent. There's pictures inside the Discord, and there's going to be a video, which is this one, to show you how to do everything that you need to know and do to make the graphics mod look good. So I'm going to be showing you my CivEvans settings, if I say so. So we're going to go into my server. Let's go and open TeamSpeak, so we don't have to have something over. I'm just going to hit bookmarks and go to Department of Public Safety. This server is up, and it does have website. I'll be putting the website down there too. So yeah.
Channel switched.
I'm gonna switch to patrol server. I'm in a few other servers. I'm in statewide media, and my Twitch will be down in the description below. So if you want to go subscribe, we play Valorant, CivEvans, anything I basically like. So, we're just gonna wait for this to load. I'm not cutting any of this out. I want to show y'all everything. It might crash the first time, I don't know, because you're placing a lot of the files in your citizens folder. So it might crash 1 or 2 times. It's not going to break your game that much. You'll probably go down to 90 FPS depending on what graphics card you have and CPU. But you're going to have some special settings to make the game look good. And yeah. Sorry if this takes long to load in, but it normally does. So alright. Go to my Civ character, Sandy Shores. Alright. Let's go to gutter review menu. This is what it looks like during the day. There is clouds, but it's not cloudy right now. It's clear skies. Sun looks really good, in my opinion. Let's go and check out one of the cars, I guess. See how it looks. So we got this FHP car. Lights look beautiful. Let's try this PD18. Beautiful. There we go. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna show you all the settings that y'all do need for this graphics mod. You're gonna need FXAA on. MSA doesn't really matter. You can put that to your liking. NVIDIA TXA, turn that on. Population density, that's your choice. Text shader quality, put that on high. Reflection quality, put that on high. And X8 and water quality very high. NVIDIA or AMD, whichever graphics card you have. Post effects, turn that on very high. And if you do like motion blur, turn that on. In game depth effects, I have it on. You're liking. I have this on 8 filtering, and both of these you don't really need them that much. So this is what the game looks like. It looks really good. For sunset, the sunsets are absolutely beautiful. The game looks good. Vegetation looks awesome. I'll go and show you all vegetation. Vegetation is trees. If y'all didn't know. That vegetation looks awesome. And to be honest, the graphics mod look good all in whole. I love it. So if y'all want to use it, it's in my Discord. Go request it, join the Discord, join the community, go follow my Twitch, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll see y'all later.